The cord is a 2-wire, 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. I'll remove the screw that secures the door for the black light. And now I can remove the housing. Now I can remove the cord wires from the switch. I'll remove the cord clamp. And now I can back onto the new cord housing. Now I'll remove the cord protector, and next I'll remove the pen holder from the old cord. There's a latch on the side of the pen holder. I'll open the pen holder and reinstall it onto the cord. Next I can reinstall the cord protector back onto the new cord. Now I can begin installing the new cord back into the housing. You'll notice that the wires on the new cord are stripped back shorter than the wires on the old one. The easiest way to get around this is first I will slide the new cord up so the black wires are at the same length. Then with my finger I'll just mark the location of the cord clamp. Now as I install the new cord back into the housing, I'll install the cord clamp at this point that I've marked. I'll resecure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll place the cord protector back into the housing. Now I just reconnect the wires to the switch. I'll place the switch back into the housing and tuck the wires out of the way. And now I can reinstall the housing. And now you know how to replace the cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.